So guys, I have the cute unboxing for you guys. This is from Buttons Galore and More. And guys, it came in this sturdy box, which I think is fantastic. So nothing gets dinged up, damaged, etc. Okay, so then these things were packaged like in individual little things, but let me show you. Ooh, let me go like this. Jeez Louise. That's totally wanting to be shown off. Okay, so I have like things and I don't know like, okay, let me slow down. I like bits and pieces to add to my projects. I think when you have those little touches, it brings it all together. So you have like your big chunky embellishments, but then you've got your treasures. So let's get right into it. This one, it is St. Patrick's Day Collection Pot of Gold. Guys, they're these little buttons, right? And they have the back on it. If you don't need the back on it, pop, right off. Not a big deal. So we've got our shamrocks, but then there's like glittery little shamrocks and a cute little rainbow. And of course, a pot of gold. Can you even look at that? And guys, like there's like a nice sturdiness to them. Not overly thick, but enough to give you like a little oomph on your project. Perfect. Now these Irish Pub sprinklets, guys, come on. There are little sprinkly bits, you know, like kind of like, I don't even know what they're really made out of. If you need more info. But they have this little clay feel to them, but look at, there's like little beer with little foam heads on them. And I have the perfect pictures, like Snapchat pictures of my son drinking a green beer. I cannot wait to jump in. I don't even have a collection right now that I'm pulled together with it, but things like this can pull the whole thing. Shaker pockets. Okay, next, these are called Irish Charm sprinklets. Y'all, there's little rainbows. There's little pieces of gold, and then there are metallic gold little tiny bits. Do you see the little bits in there? I can't even. Guys, that's a leprechaun hat. So absolutely adorable. Where are my shaker pocket friends at? Because, oh my gosh, these things, the little tiny bits are going to roll around in my shaker pockets and be perfect. Okay, then these are mix-ups. Let's see if it says the name. Yes, Irish Eyes. So it's like the clay bits, and then we've got these gold bits. So you can take things out individually if you want to. Let me get this little tray I have. Guys, these are just diamond painting trays. Nothing super fancy, but I love diamond painting. Guys, let me know if I should do diamond painting on my channel. I've been thinking about it. So we've got all of these pieces. There's like iridescent little pieces, right? Little clay pieces. We've got little like green tubes in there, as well as these amazing metallic little balls. I mean, so pretty. So we have that. Love it. Love it. Now, let's jump over to like Easter extravaganza next. So this one is the Easter collection Easter flowers. They're a little bit bigger, so you're going to have this huge punch on your projects. Love them. They also have the backing, so you can sew it on something if that's your vibe, or, you know, just you do you. I'll be popping it onto everything. So gorgeous pieces, great quality, nice and sturdy. Love. Then these, you guys, look at the funny bunnies. Look at their little faces. Look at their little faces. Oh my gosh. We've got this one. This is kind of like the color Dove. That's the color of my daughter's paint in her house. So it's like that gray beige. Love it. Or a grayish. Little tiny bunnies. We've got little chicks and eggs. Like, can you believe? Look at them. They're so cute. Such great fun pieces. These are Daisy Field. Guys, that orchid color. I am here for the orchid color. Great mid-tone pink, little bits. And then these have a nice little brownish center if you're trying to get a little more au natural with it. So cute. These are flat backed. Very cute. Oh, look at that. They're called flatbacks. I'm so clever. Okay, we have that. Oh no, I've got little lucky pieces are running for the hills. Okay, clearly I'm not that lucky. Okay, next. These are called Easter baskets. These are mix-ups. Let me show you these in a little thing, kind of like I did with those other little bits. Because there's so many interesting little treasures in them. Guys, look at them. Let me separate them out so you can really see them. So we've got these little sprinkly bits. They look like jimmies on an ice cream cone. And we've got little round bits. I see hearts in there. So if you don't need those hearts for Easter, guys, grab them out and pop them on other things, because I will be. Little carrots, they look like little peeps. Guys, they're so cute. Bright pink hearts are in here. Just all of the things. So darned cute. So I love things that have bits and pieces in them. They make me very happy. Okay, so these are half pearls. So we've got several sizes. We've got this gorgeous melon color and a bit of a kiwi color in there. Guys, look at all the sizes and look at the shine you are getting on those bad boys. So stunning. So, oh, there's also like a slightly off white one, like a true pearly color one. Pretty. I'm going to be pop, pop, pop. Then to go with those half pearls again, these have like massive saturation. What are they called? Oh, they're called jelly beans. What are these called? These are called Palm Beach. See? And these are called jelly beans. In case you're on the hunt, when you go here, you go right here. Well, I go to Buttons Galore and More when I look it up and they just magically pop up. Anywho, so look at them. Nice and bright, all kinds of fun colors to like make your project shine. Okay, we looked at that. Then I have these. So these are the Easter collection egg extravaganza. Cute little basket and decorated Easter eggs. And these have that little backing on them. Cute. So nice and sturdy, guys. I love that. Oh, another thing of mix-up. So I'm going to grab another one of my little trays. You guys, I've been diamond painting forever, so I have the trays. It's a thing. Okay. So let's look at these, guys. The little round bits are escaping. So look. Oh, my Lanta. Is this my favorite one from this box? Guys, we have got like gems are in here, and there's different sizes of the gems. Oh my gosh. And then the little round bits are in here in all of these different colors and those little things that look like jimmies. And then we've got little Easter bunnies and decorated Easter eggs. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Look at how you can get all of these sparkly shines. Love. Okay, so we have that. And then the last thing for me to share with you, guys, look at how cute this is. It's a button value pack. And guys, I'm going to open this up and then wish for the best for putting it back together, because I want to keep my little labels with things. So let me show you what we have in here, because you get a lot. Oh no. Oh no. They're going everywhere. Okay. Where do I put? I need one of my little, oh, I see something. Hold on. I was going to say, I need a little tiny bin. Hold on. Hold on. I'm holding it all like a precious cargo. Look at what, I'm ridiculous. Okay. So we've got like regular buttons, like buttons that we are so used to, right? But then, look at this. I've got a little ducky, Gigantor buttons. I'm going to put a bunch of these little buttons just in here. Ooh, I don't even know what that is, but it feels cool. Okay. Go like that, go like that, go like that. Okay, then let's see. A bumblebee. Oh my gosh, I have so many uses for that. I've got a little tulip, a basket, grown with love for a little garden or florals. I've got a watering can and it looks stitched. It's not coming out right in the camera. That's like a pinky, there we go, a pinky orchid. Oh, and we've got a flower pot. And then what are you? Ooh, a beehive. Cute. A sunflower. I have lots of sunflower pictures because we go to the sunflower fields. We have got a nice watering pot and a nice limey color. We've got a tulip. Oh, a little shovel spade. What is this? Oh my gosh. Look at Look at the little ladybugs. I have 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's going to be so perfect to scatter around a layout. Love. A nice floral. A little ducky. Oh my gosh, he has great dimension. Ooh, I love that. So we have a little ducky. A butterfly. Another watering can. Ooh, what's this? Oh my gosh, this is so shiny. And it's this, actually it's the color of the shirt I'm wearing right now. It's a little flying birdie. A little flying birdie. Sweet. A tulip. Gorgeous florals. 1, 2, 3, 4, just in my hand. You know, there's more in there. See, here's another one. So totally, oh, here's another one. You can totally go off sprinkling them around. A cute little whimsical birdie. We have got this gorgeous floral right here. Guys, these are cool. I cannot wait. Oh my gosh, look at the inchworm. You can go, wee, wee, wee. Little inchworm, little florals. So guys, so darned cute. So I got these all, thank you so much, from Buttons Galore and More. I cannot wait to start creating with them. I have all of these bits and pieces to just go off and enjoy. I think I'm going to set up a whole box with them and just have so much fun. All right, guys, I'm going to see you guys ever so soon with some layouts with these great little products. Bye for now, friends.